Masvingo by-election independent candidate accuses Zanu PF of destroying posters. The 22nd of August 2025, by a correspondent, Masvingo. Independent candidate Prosper Tiringindi has accused ruling party supporters of vandalizing his campaign materials ahead of the Masvingo Urban Ward 7 by-election, sparking fears over the fairness of the electoral process. The by-election, set for the 13th of September 2025, comes after the death of Councillor Tafara Masimba. Competition has intensified, with candidates jostling for the vacant seat. On Tuesday, Tiringindi expressed outrage, claiming that ruling party activists loyal to Zanu PF candidate Simbarash Shanhua, popularly known as Gweja, had been tearing down and defacing his posters. "I am not happy with what is happening." Gweja, the Zanu PF candidate for the by-election, has assigned some ruling party activists to deface my posters. "This is not fair as it breaches the code of conduct," Tiringindi charged. He further alleged that when his team attempted to stop the perpetrators, they were met with threats. "We tried to stop them, but they threatened us with unspecified action," he added. Calls for intervention. Election observers warn that such incidents undermine confidence in the credibility of the polls. They have urged the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, ZEC, to step in and ensure a level playing field for all candidates. Tiringindi has formally appealed to ZEC, demanding swift action to protect candidates' right to campaign freely and to guarantee that the upcoming vote is fair and transparent.